Unveiling the mystery. Understanding in a trance. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, in a trance. It's a common expression, but what does it really mean? How do you use it in a sentence? Stay with us as we unravel the mystery of this intriguing phrase. In a trance refers to a state where someone is not fully aware of their surroundings, often because they are thinking deeply or focusing intensely on something. It's like being so absorbed in your thoughts or an activity that the rest of the world seems to fade away. Imagine being so engrossed in a book that you don't notice someone calling your name. That's being in a trance. The term trance comes from an old French word, trance, meaning fear or dread. Over time, its meaning shifted to a state of semi-consciousness, often associated with spiritual or hypnotic states. When we say someone is in a trance, today, we're tapping into this rich history of altered states of consciousness. To better understand in a trance, let's look at some examples. 1. During meditation, she was so deep in meditation, she seemed to be in a trance. 2. Lost in music, he was in a trance, swaying to the rhythm of the music. 3. Daydreaming, staring out the window, she was in a trance, lost in her daydreams. In each case, the person is so absorbed in what they're doing that they're temporarily oblivious to their surroundings. Using in a trance is straightforward. It's best used to describe someone who is deeply focused or lost in thought. You might say, when I'm painting, I often find myself in a trance, or he was in a trance watching the sunset. It's important to note that in a trance isn't always literal. Sometimes it's used figuratively to describe someone who is very focused or mesmerized by something, even if they're not actually in a trance-like state. We hope this exploration of in a trance has been enlightening. Remember, language is not just about words, but the vivid pictures and emotions they evoke. Use in a trance to add depth and color to your conversations. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.